Describe your favorite actor, you should say. Who he or she is, what kind of movies he or she acts in, what his or her most famous role is, and explain why he or she is your favorite actor. If I really have to choose just one favorite actor, it's got to be Leonardo DiCaprio. He's obviously one of the biggest movie stars on the planet, but I don't just like him because he's famous. I think he's genuinely the most talented guy working in Hollywood right now. He's been around since I was a little kid, starting with massive hits like Titanic, but unlike a lot of child stars who eventually fade away, he has managed to stay on top for decades. When it comes to the movies he picks, he is actually extremely selective. You'll notice he never really does franchises, like you will never see him in a Marvel movie or a generic action sequel just to make a quick buck. He mostly sticks to psychological dramas, historical films, or biopics. He seems to love playing characters who are pushed to their absolute limits, either physically or mentally. He works a lot with the director Martin Scorsese, and those movies are usually gritty, long, and very intense. As for his most famous role, that is a really tough call because he has so many iconic ones. Most people might say Jack in Titanic because that is the movie that made him a global heartthrob. But personally, I think his defining role was in The Wolf of Wall Street. He played a corrupt stockbroker named Jordan Belfort. The energy he brought to that movie was just insane. He had to be charming, disgusting, funny, and scary all at the same time. There's a scene where he gives a speech to his office staff that is just electric. You literally can't take your eyes off him. The big reason he is my favorite acts is that he completely disappears into his roles. With some famous actors, you always see the actor first and the character second. But with Leo, whether he's playing a fur trapper, fighting a bear in The Revenant, or a rich guy in The Great Gatsby, you believe him 100%. He takes his job so seriously. He waits years between projects to find the right script, and that level of dedication means that when you pay for a ticket to see a DiCaprio movie, you know you aren't going to be disappointed. That consistency is why I respect him so much.